everybody, Holli here from HolliDay AnyDay, and wow, what's Holli drinking today during the holidays? Well, let's make a festive cocktail. So what we're gonna do is make a pomegranate gin fizz. And I have pomegranate trees in my yard and I make fresh juice. It's on the website how to do that. But let's start with our ingredients. So we'll put a little, we could use a shaker if you wanted. I thought we'd just use a glass instead. Let's start with a little bit of ice in here. And we're gonna go ahead and use our gray whale gin. Do a couple jiggers of that. Okay. Then we've got about the same amount of fresh pomegranate juice. If you have to do palm or something from the market, that's fine. This is gonna be a little more viscous because it's just not quite as finely filtered or anything, but it's fresh. I made it yesterday. Lemon juice. And another homemade ingredient, I made some simple syrup, which is super simple. Once again, go on the website. We make a wonderful holiday gift too, a nice little hostess gift. Just a tiny splash of that, since it is unsweetened pomegranate juice. Okay, then we're just gonna go ahead and give it a little stir. If I were doing this as a martini, I'd go ahead and shake it. We're gonna put this on the rocks though. Okay. Okay. Then I will grab my real pretty, gigantic rocks glass. And go ahead, give them a pour. Like I said, since it is fresh pomegranate juice, it's not quite as clear as it would be. And then, you don't have to add the club soda, but I think it makes it just a nice little fizzy and it makes the name Pomegranate Gin Fizz. Just lightens it up a little bit. And a quick little stir. And there you go. Doesn't that look refreshing? Let's give it a taste. It's to die for. You gotta try this. It's easy breezy.